Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your YouTube AdSense account and get paid from YouTube. The process is very simple, so make sure you watch until the end to follow all the steps correctly. First, open Google AdSense and log in using the same Google account linked to your YouTube channel. Once you're logged in, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Payments. Before you can receive any money, you'll need to complete the verification process, which includes confirming your identity and address. This step ensures your account is verified and eligible to receive payments. After verification, go back to the left-hand side and click on Payments Info. Since we're talking about YouTube earnings, make sure you've selected the YouTube option at the top of the page. This will display your YouTube balance, payment history, and all payout details. Next, scroll down to find the section labeled Payment Methods. If you haven't added one yet, click on Add Payment Method. Enter your bank account details, such as your account name, number, and IFSC or routing code, depending on your country. Once entered, set it as your primary payment method and click Save. Now, ensure that your total earnings reach the payment threshold before Google sends you money. For most users, the minimum threshold is $100 USD, or the equivalent in local currency. Once you've reached that amount, and there are no payment holds, your earnings will be automatically transferred to your bank account. You don't need to withdraw it manually. Payments are usually processed automatically between the 21st and 26th of each month, depending on your region and bank processing times. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw money from your YouTube AdSense account and get paid directly to your bank. Thank you for watching.